In this video, we're going to have a look at simplifying fractions. To simplify a fraction, you need to divide the top and bottom by the same amount. In order to simplify a fraction fully, you need to divide by the biggest possible number. Sometimes finding the biggest number to divide by can be difficult. Instead, you can simplify your fraction in stages. In this video, I'm going to show you how to simplify using both methods. So, in the first example, 9 over 15, the biggest number that divides into both 9 and 15 is 3. So I need to divide the top and the bottom of my fraction by 3. I know that 9 divided by 3 is 3. That's going to be my top number. And I know that 15 divided by 3 is 5. So therefore my simplified fraction is 3/5. This answer is fully simplified because there are no other numbers that divide into 3 and into 5 which leave both of them as whole numbers. For my second example, I'm going to simplify in stages. Because 16 and 20 are both even numbers, I can halve the top and the bottom. Halving your fraction can make the numbers you are dealing with easier to simplify. So dividing 16 by 2 gives me 8 on the top, and 20 divided by 2 is 10 on the bottom. This is my new simplified fraction. However, this fraction isn't fully simplified because there's another number I can divide into 8 and 10 to make it even more simple. Again, because 8 and 10 are both even, I can divide the top and the bottom of my answer by 2. 8 divided by 2 on the top gives me 4, and 10 divided by 2 on the bottom gives me 5. This is my fully simplified answer. Some of you may have noticed that the biggest number you could have divided by at the start was 4, and if you divide the top and bottom by 4, it gives you the same answer. In my third example, I can simplify in stages again. Halving both the top and the bottom will make the numbers easier to deal with. So on the top, 12 divided by 2 is 6, and on the bottom, 18 divided by 2 is 9. As with before, this fraction isn't fully simplified because I can still divide the top and the bottom by a further 3. On the top, 6 divided by 3 is 2, and on the bottom, 9 divided by 3 is 3, giving me my fully simplified answer as 2/3. Again, some of you may have noticed the biggest number that divides into our starting fraction is 6. If you divide the top and bottom by 6, that will give you the same answer as 2/3 at the end. In my final example, 30 over 40, I can simplify my fraction fully by dividing the top and the bottom by 10. Dividing by 10 is the same as cancelling a 0 from the top and the bottom, which gives me a final answer of 3/4. Look out for zeros on the top and bottom of your fraction because this can be a quick and easy way to simplify your answer. You can also simplify this fraction in stages if you prefer using that method.